How to sign into Google Chat for the first time. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Google Chat app in your device. Now launch it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Welcome to the new Google Chat. Google Chat is a modern application built on Google's latest frameworks for web, mobile and security and is an essential component of Google Workspace used by 3 billion people to connect, create and collaborate. The platform includes a robust search feature for finding messages, files, and other content shared within chats and rooms. Additionally, Google Chat supports bots and integration with third-party apps, allowing for task automation and access to external services directly within the chat environment. Now click on Get Started. With that, you will be able to find all the Gmail accounts that you are currently logged in your device. Now you have to go ahead and toggle on for the Gmail account that you want to log in with. In this way, and then click on Done. Click on Get Started, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily sign into Google Chat for the first time. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.